Hi there. I made this dolphin barrette a while ago and recently found it again and realized I really like the effect of the colorful clay on the background. Tried to make another one using my rose stamps, but didn't quite like it as much. I think maybe you need a fairly chunky stamp to make the most of the color on the background. So I made these sort of seaweed coral type stamps, and I'm just going to show you how I made the effect. So this is Cernit clay. I didn't have any white, so I'm using champagne, and this this blended plug is made with Cernit metallics. And I basically cut a piece of that plug and rolled it through on the thinnest setting. The black is on the thinnest setting as well. The black is a little dry, but didn't really think it was necessary to add any softener or anything just for this, so I'm just sort of dealing with it. So you put a thin black layer on, and then you put your colorful thin layer on top of the black. And then once you have everything the way you want it, you can put it through the pasta machine to just thin out those top layers a little bit more. So it's very similar to my previous mokume gane using stamps. I just press them in fairly hard, deep enough so that I can fairly easily shave off the top layer. And then I just basically try and fill as much as I can with stamps so that I get an interesting design coming out of it. And I just wanted to show you real time how I start with these. I basically just shave off a very, very top layer. Better to take off a little bit less, and then you can go a bit deeper if you think that you haven't taken off enough. And you can see as I carry on with this that I get a bit more confident about how deep to go to reveal the pattern underneath. So there it is finished. I think I actually preferred the dolphin design, which I think I did with my coral roller, which has a little bit more distinct pattern. And I forgot to show you, I cut it out and I baked it. I draped it over something to get the sides slightly lifted. And I'm going to turn this into a needle, a pin keeper. And so I wanted something that was really going to stick. I've only got these large magnets at the moment. I've decided to try sticking them onto the bottom to make this a little magnetic tray. This two-part epoxy you can buy in Home Depot. It's 5 minutes. It sets in 5 minutes. And it's really good for things that you're not going to see because it does have a bit of a yellow tint to it. And you can see I had a bit of a problem with the magnet sliding around. I don't know why they didn't quite want to stay put, but finally I got them kind of balanced. yeah, I used something to just kind of keep it level and then just left that to dry. And the nice thing about this stuff is it will not come off. Like I tried really hard to pull that magnet off. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. And I made a bit of a mess with it, but it doesn't look too bad. So I figured the magnets would kind of work like feet, and I was just interested to see how it would work. I actually have bought some small magnets, which I'm going to try embedding in my next project, but it works quite nicely as a magnetic. I think there must be a lot of other kind of uses for things with magnets in them, so something to explore. Anyway, hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.